Salazar, erase the spaceman press immediately. We can't allow anyone to discover our research crew.
No problem, boss. I'm sure this is going to be fun. I got them tracked already, and will take good care of them. They're going to wish they stayed home, stuck in the toilet, with no way of getting their butts out.
Obviously you're not going anywhere. Just simply hand over the goods or else. Oh my, I put my pants and messed up the controls. Now we can't teleport out.
Why would Callipix suggest I don't rely too much on the Zexian authority? I still haven't fully tapped into my Sapien abilities, and I see no use for it when gifted with the Zexian authority. Reminds me when I was young, trying to learn the sound call. Perhaps recurrent weaknesses start when you're young. The sound call allows the user to move objects using any form of sound. The sound acts as a command, telling the object where to land. It reacts according to your credence, but is first unlocked with your heart, mind, and might. We gave you access to it by installing the Zexian authority within you. You can cause objects to react anytime you want. We'll also train you on how to manipulate sound, as well as how to override those who use sound-based power. Demonstrate you can do it, and you'll graduate. And we'll teach you the intermediate courses.
Cool, I can't wait.
Okay, let's demonstrate it for you. Remember what we taught you in class. You must do it with your heart, with your might and mind. Now give it a try, kid. No, don't take it lightly. You must perform the move with your heart, might, and mind. You simply can't force it. It's slightly moving though. The same thing seems to work. I don't need any ideas. I got this. Stop! Wait! I know what I'm doing. I got this. I almost got it. Halt! We are done here, Exus. Sorry, Exus, but I'm going to have you retake courses and training for another 18 months. You must humble your heart and focus on what you are trained. Your own logic won't be enough to master this novice technique, let alone more advanced techniques. I wonder why. No, you're just stubborn, and you still are sometimes.
Oh yeah, this is fun.
We'll get the usual, and it's on me this time.
Yeah, I am totally digging this. This is so awesome, yeah.
You love that new weapon more than your wife?
As you may know, we Biskinites are warriors. Sapiens, like yourself, are fighters. We value fine, crafted weapons.
Not sure if the tournament years ago showed that you showed up as a warrior.
You know the rules. First one out of the ring loses. Begin.
You're done. You bested me. Next time, I'm besting you. Whatever.
Hey, that red drink was mine.
Sorry about that, Chorbu. The two Widdocks are right behind us, just as Kalpix said that they'd be coming to the Museum of Zexicus.
Well, brethren, shall I do as usual with my strategy to learn of their true intention?
Do your thing, my brother. Excalibur, I have one suggestion. Pick on the taller one first. I can hear his heart beating fast.
Sounds like a plan.
I sense something strange within one of them, and it keeps jumping around.
I, Major Miracle, also known as Divine Miracle. Thank you for watching the show, and feel free to show this video, Support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, and then you'll see more content all of a sudden. When things are tough and misunderstood, stay good like you should. Till then, my friends, see you soon.